Hello. I hope you're doing well. Can you hear me? Can you hear me well? How's sound? Just let me know. Should be fine. Hello, Velocity. Hello. So, guys, this stream is gonna be like more about crypto and like stock market. We're gonna talk about like some indexes, about like some like cryptocurrency. Okay, 1 second. So we're gonna talk about like some cryptocurrencies. We're gonna talk about like stock market, mostly indexes. 1 second. Okay, should be fine. Okay, 1 second. I'm just checking like everything with sound. Should be fine. Okay. We'll also talk about like gold, because like for gold, like I have some analysis that I want to share with you. Let me turn off like some stuff. Yeah. So, let's talk about like some like crypto stuff. So first of all, let's talk about like main crypto. It's like Bitcoin. As you can see in the past like week, it's like it was on Monday. I've been telling like this we might pump, but I also been expecting some test of this like trend line that we broke, but it didn't happen, which is like common for crypto. And now right now we like exist in monthly fair value gap. Again, it doesn't mean anything, because this is crypto. We have to like go and look at a low time frame. Right now we're like in the range. I posted in Discord that let me show you. So in trading chat I sent, oh my god, 1 second guys. I'm sorry, kid woke up. So I sent it, where I sent it? Probably in members. So BTC will go and get like some liquidity from fuck. Yeah, this is like chart from BTC that we're gonna like test. So we're gonna take like this internal liquidity, and this happened, and now it was posted on 27th, and now as you can see, like we just went up. Velocity. So you have to understand, we might facing bull run right now. If it's like real bull run, bull market, because in like stock market, especially indexes, we might have bull run as well, because we took all external liquidity, and we just came into like monthly fair value gap on like Nasdaq, and most of the time Nasdaq been correlated with BTC, and all alts, almost like all alts correlating with BTC as well. So if Bitcoin will go up, all alts will go up. But BTC right now, as you can see, it's like in a small range. You can just check volume, and volume like in the middle. So it means we're probably in a range right now. And I hope we will stuck in this range for like a long time. I will explain like why. If it will go like this, it means it will be consolidating and money from BTC will be moving to alts. And this is like where you want to like make the most amount of money. Because trading range is like not a great idea. You can trade deviations like this, right? But in general, better not to enter like any position inside. You could have like, for example, open like long position after we took liquidity here, but it was, you had about like 5 minutes to enter this position, and your stop should be like here, maybe like here. But also, as you can see, we had like this like fair value gap on the daily, so it was kind of risky to do. Anyway, we took like this internal liquidity, as you can see, and now we're going up to take maybe this internal liquidity. So we can pump like this and turn back and stuck with this like for a while. It will, if this happens, it will open a lot of opportunities to long alts. For example, Litecoin, first one, perfect example, because you have to notice that we're doing like breakouts and volume going down. So when we're going down, volume also goes down. As you can see, this is what happened. Volume, like chart goes down, and the volume goes down. When chart going like down like this, and volume rising, it means it won't go up. Most likely, it will like nuke down, right? So keep in mind about it. I don't want to see it. I don't want to see high taken from BTC. Again, if high will be taken from BTC, it will be double top like this, and more likely we will nuke like down. I don't want it, because I want to see bull run, because when it's bull run, it means like all alts will go like x5, x10. If we're going like up like this, like you mentioned, like going up like this, and we're going down, it means like all alts will go down like 20-30%, and we will be in bear market again. And the problem with it, you will be able to catch like 5% move, maybe 10% move. That's it. With bull run, it's like 20, 50, 100%. And imagine what you can do with leverage. Like for me, it's better to see something like this. It's a clean like breakout with a test already on like 15 minutes. And target will be this fair value gap, and also have like some liquidity here. And it's like 16% move, and it can just get there within like 1-2 days. Same on Solana. This is basically like classic TA. You have test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and breakout. It can be like this. So we will stuck here on this trend line and then pump. Best example of it is what happened on Pepe. This is like long that we took. It was like from the book. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and pump. This was the cleanest like triangle that hello. This was the cleanest like triangles that I've ever seen in the past 2 years maybe. It was like clean, and you can easily trade it. You see like how like clean this is, right? And this is pumping on the volume, like right here. You see like how much of volume. It means you can just open like long position here, and your stop will be under this low. If I am able to catch a very short and BTC, then it would be fine. You can catch 1 to 5, 1 to 10 long on LTC. This one. You can catch a really good like long position on Sol. Solana will go like till 39 for sure. For example, this one, it's almost 1 to 4, 5% stop. Well, actually, like not bad position. Actually, really not bad. um, 31, 22, and 39. Like, one to 4. Not bad at all. A really nice trade. If you like wanna open it, sure. Like, I'm down like 3% on Founders account this week. So, but I've been testing the crypto, I've been testing gold, and my biggest mistake was I had to open like some trades and close them on clients' accounts, and I fucked up and forgot about like I forgot about like one trade, and I misclicked extra zero, and I lost like 1.5% on one trade because of it. Hello and hello. So it's not a big of a deal. If we have like bull run, I want to just show you like my statistic pretty quick. So this is like True Forex Fund. It's like from my phase 1. So basically, like when I started this account, right? I was like twice almost like at 5%, and then I like dropped down till like again, so I dropped like 5% within like 2 or 3 days. Then I completely changed my tactic. I've been trading only like indexes, and it's also I've been trading only on Nasdaq, and I'm like made like almost like 8%, as you can see, like within like 1.5 week. But right now like Nasdaq not in good shape, so my maximum daily loss like it was $120 or so. No, $300. I just like misclick like again. Because I'm trading on my phone, because for MT5 I'm using for my clients that I manage, and I just like cannot press it, and I misclick sometimes. But in general, as you can see, this is like how it's supposed to be. Like, but I will show like everything in my video. Like all my trades and my strategy, so you can follow it. Yeah, it's basically like 2 trades. You need like 2 trades to recover. So about crypto. So if it's like bull run, because if you just like check what happened in last time, like before we had a bull run, we've been consolidating. Let me check on Ethereum. It was 2021. Yeah. So we've been consolidating like this, as you can see, and then we'll start pumping like crazy. Shake out and keep going up. Shake out, keep going up. So let's check BTC. Same picture, you see. So we've been consolidating like whole like 2020. Then at the end in October, by the way, in October again, we started going up, and this is where we came. So basically in January, we might have like shakeout, and then we keep going up. In February, we have to be careful, because in February we might like nuke till I just remember May. I remember May 2021. I just like closed my positions right before it nukes. Oh my god, it's like was like 50% like drop on BTC, and then we went up and we make double top, and it's basically a bear market again. Right now, as you can see, we have like similar picture. We've been consolidating, and we keep going higher. Like on Ethereum, like my target will be 2.5k. This is like 2.5, 2.5. This one, and maybe this one is like my target for Ethereum. So like every crypto right now, like in the same conditions that we had like 2021, and you have like such a like good examples. For example, this like on Ocean, right? This is I've been talking about it on my last stream on Tuesday, if I'm not mistaken. On Tuesday I said like buy Ocean, and it will high. I even like said, as you can see, I said this like trade here, and I had this trade, but I closed it like around like here, because I need like some cash flow to put into FTM and fill. But from my call, it's like up to like 21%. It's literally like this is like what I've been talking on the stream, and also I sent about it in Discord. Another trade that I've been talking about like in the group, it's a trade on FTM, Fed been up since I called it right. If we're talking right now like 55%, which is kind of crazy. So currently we in FTM trade. It's almost like it's more than 1-to-1 already. We're gonna close it maybe like right here, so 1-to-2, or we'll wait to 1-to-3. Another trade that we're currently in, and in my opinion it's like it has like more potential, it's a fill. First target is gonna be this highs, it's like around like 5, but it has like potential to go like way higher. It's like almost like 160%, and probably we will get there. But you have to hold it like for like such period of time. So I would like put like some amount. Also GMT is a good choice. We have like market shift here on the daily, and I sent this trade to like Pavel, but we didn't take it, unfortunately. But it's a really good one. Another trade on Badger. Still a big consolidation, so you can just like wait like for it, but we're already currently in this trade, and it can go like way higher. I also like SFP here, because we just like did test, we just like to test this trend line, and you can free to enter like position, and target will be about like 0.9 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so like 80 or 85, yeah, something like this, like around like 1. So you can just enter like this position, and it will almost like double, like 50-60%. Also like good position on Dash. It's like if we're talking about like classic TA, it's like cup and handle, right? So more right now like classic TA like will work on crypto, because so you have to use like vertical spread analysis. It's basically that you like look at the volume, yeah, volume, like bars, and like how price breaks like trend lines and like triangles. If it like breaks with the volume, it's good, and when price is being consolidated, volume should go like down, and when we break in, volume should like go up. So it should be something like this. Let me draw it for you. So we have trend line, right? It's like liquidity, and we have another trend line. So price, price going like this, low after low, and then it breaks out, going test and pumping. But sometimes it won't do like tests. Sometimes it just like will go up. And in the same time, volume, like when we're going down, volume, right? Volume should go down as well. When till like this part, right? Till this part. When we do like breakout through like this like trend line, this is the liquidity line, volume should go up. Should go up. If we break in with volume here, so like volume like going up here and keep going up, that's all. Like it's alleged breakout. If like we have completely opposite picture, right? So we're just going like this, just breaking out, right? So we're just breaking out here. We're breaking out here. And volume like going down all the time when we're breaking out. So it's a false breakout, and we won't go higher. This is like something that you have to look at. It's like very important. In this case, at least you will be able to identify if it's like real breakout or not. In a bull market, this is something that you have to know. And unfortunately, sometimes I won't be able to help you and send. So this setup is really good. It's like cover handle, it's a classic TA, and etc. So like most of the crypto right now, like in this condition, because if you like look at the chart, basically we just did like great breakouts. Like LDO, I've been talking about this trade. It's like 1 to 2 already. Like great trade, and like stop was like 10%. Not bad at all. I also like sent information about it. I also sent information about it in the Discord in our long-term crypto investments. While we will be talking, by the way, look at Sol. This is like I've been talking about. It's like absorption, and then we're gonna hire. Trading chat. So just like you have to like notice like these like moments. By the way, like if you like on Truth Forex Fund, you can just, or like any prop firms that allows you to trade crypto, feel free like to open trade here. You can just like put like small stop like this, and if it like go down, okay, it's not go down. But it just did test, and like it's just amazing setup. So like free setup like for you. Okay, so this is like basically a whole crypto. If you want to see like more notifications about like trades, etc., feel free to join our Discord. We also setting this is the link for Discord. We're also setting some interesting stuff. I want to show you this. Where is this? One sec. This one. This is gonna be like in Telegram. So if you're not comfortable of using Discord, it will also have like Telegram. It will be absolutely the same that we have on Discord, but if like it's better for you and more comfortable using like Telegram, it would be like amazing. Like so, we just like setting like bot that will copy all our trades like from our Discord to ours, like or to Telegram. Basically, like it's simple to do and very like useful. So also please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, and like the stream so more people will be able to find it. Now let's talk about like DXI. Honestly, I have no idea like what is going on here because I don't understand this price section. We probably like in the range, and if we're in the range, we might had deviation if we're talking about like this range, right? Where is this? If we're talking about like this range, because the excited loves deviations. What can happen? We probably will go down. So like no, this is like this. I expecting us and especially like in Dixie go like now if you go down, but we have like couple zones that I marked here that can also give like some reaction. If DXI goes down from here like this, it means all like indexes or like Forex market will go like in a bull run for like couple months for sure, because we had like we like in a big range. So if it's like one big deviation, so like first target will be at least like this one. I've been talking about this like already a couple of like 3 weeks. If we're going lower, so we probably will see all-time high on like Nasdaq, S&P 500, and etc. But then we will do probably because it looks like Wyckoff. So we'll have something like this and then PAM hard. So it looks like Wyckoff. So we might see some like nuke on January, like on February, which is like same. This is that matches with like my TA on major indexes and crypto. I've been talking about it like last stream, like for a while. Also on a Tuesday too. Let's go back on like low time frame. if we is this one range, because I can't just check it for sure, but it looks like we're in the range like this, right? If it's range and we had just had deviation, so next target like we will go lower. We'll see how market will open. As always, don't forget to mark like previous weekly highs. This one, yeah, where is this? Yeah, so this is gonna be like previous weekly high. What can happen? We can just like take previous weekly high and then just go down. This is possible, and I don't remember how it named, back to creek or something like this. It's like from vertical spread analysis that like we have like one deviation, then we have like one more deviation after like previous one, and then we're going like down. So because people see like ranges, they want to open some short position, setting their stops above these highs or like lows, it doesn't matter. And what happened in price, like go up, activating their stops, they see so like it's not range, we just open long position, they start an open longs position, and price like going down. This is what usually happens, and you have to like expect this as well. If you see like something that goes to you like your direction, just cut trade, don't think about it. This is like what like saved me like so many times on indexes. You have no idea how many times like it saved my ass. It's just like insane amount of times. What else? What else? So Dixie, so as I said, we have like two zones. Actually, like if we're going up, we can just take previous weekly high. Maybe we will take like this highs. Maybe this one. I don't believe so. If we go like high like this, all indexes will go down, and to go down hard, like in all zones will be broken, and I don't know. It can happen if like a new like war will happen. So whatever. About indexes. So let's go like on the monthly on Nasdaq. It just tested like this fair value gap. So final target will be this fair value gap, like lower on the monthly time frame. This is like our final target and all the slows. But no, now what I want to see is just like my expectation. I want to see our pump take all-time high and then when you can. This is like probably the most realistic scenario that I expect. It will be double top on the monthly, and we'll go down like for a couple of years. Not great, right? Let's go like on the weekly. On the weekly we have like this fair value gap as well, and this is like major zone, and I expect like some like a reaction from here. We also tested like 0.5% like equilibrium of this zone. Yeah, exactly, we bounced like from equilibrium, as you can see, and we're going higher. We also like took all like previous monthly lows, all liquidity, like tested everything, and we just like don't have like zones like lower. Yeah, we have this bunch of liquidity here, but it's just like psychological. Nobody holds like positions like from like 2022, right? From like November, for like how much, like 1 year. No one holds these positions. No one's. And it's just like more psychological levels. So like 3 months average that you have to like expect for someone holding position, like if we're talking about like long term. But also as you can see, we have plenty of liquidity here on top, and we just like tested major level and win like 3 tests on a weekly. So like all TA just like screaming we're going up. We also have like some reports next week, so you have to have an eye on them. More likely we will see something interesting. On a daily, like same picture, like we just like to measure liquidity and nothing. We might go there, might, like this is like one more level, but again it will be like under this like weekly fair value gap, and but it's also will be like 50% of this monthly fair value gap. So this is like next zone that might be tested, but we'll see. I cannot like predict like future. I'm not Nostradamus, otherwise like I would have been fucking like billionaire, trillionaire, like etc. etc. I just like reading like charts and like trade based on it. And the most important part, like in trading, it's like risk management. Analysis, like yeah, it's good, but template save as text. Okay, so always mark it on your chart. Same here, and you have to be like extremely accurate with it because like market loves accuracy. So keep in mind, use this little magnet, and put like your lines exactly in the price that what the fuck. Exactly like in the right place. Okay. Yeah, let it be here. Like S&P 500 has the same, like exactly the same picture, which has been tested like everything. But the problem is like we don't have like major zones here that should be tested. Let's check chart. What can happen? We can just go to, let me see. It's on the breaker. It's like hard on S&P. Not so much zones that we have to mark. Also, always like mark these important gaps. It's on a weekly, it's on a daily, it's everywhere. I would mark these lows. We also have fair gap here, but it should go down like 2%. It should be another 2%. I don't know. Maybe like we get like this equal lows. This one. It's equal lows. So it's equal lows here, and also we have previous weekly low here, right? We have previous weekly low, we have equal lows. So this is like zone, like our like point of interest here. We have like equal lows, we have like previous weekly low, and if I see like something like this, I'll be looking for long position. That's it. Like if we're going like up, I have to look closely because we have a lot of shorts zone where I'll be looking for short position, but I don't know. Okay, so this is like what I expect at least. We have also zone here, that might give the same reaction, because if you open like Friday, you can just, let me see. 1 second, guys. So if you just open like Friday, which is like this one, it was a mess, because I took like one trade on a Friday. It was where is this? This was set up. Yeah, it was this one. It calls buy to sell. This one. This one calls about to buy to sell. I just like open my position and stop my. My stop was here, and target was this fair value gap. This is like only position you could just open. That's it. Like nothing else. This like zone, but it's on 1 minute, so kind of risky to do. Also like this one as well. More accurate on like 5 minutes. You can just mark it like this. You see, this is like this is buy to sell, and we just like tested it. And we also have this like small fair value gap here. Which is like our target, and it feel like perfectly. This like was my trade on Friday, but it was extremely risky, and it was like this. It was my trade on Friday. Not bad, but still, it's like my stop was 25 pips. I just like shorted it with one contract. That's it. Could have like shorted more, but it was extremely risky, because like when price like going like this, when I have like this price action, better just like stay away from market in general. Like though, like exactly the same picture. Major like major like shares. We closed most of our positions. I want like Nvidia to go down and then pump, so we just take all this liquidity. What else? Like AMD, we just like tested everything. We broke structure on like 15 minutes. We have this like fair value gap, which I hope will be tested, so I can like open some long position here. So it's look like we will go down indexes, at least that's my opinion, and we'll see. We can just go up from here. I don't know. I want to see like what will happen on Monday, and if you wanna see our trades and what we think during the week, just join our Discord. It's all kind of stuff. Can be found here. Okay. Next one, it's a gold. I've been playing a bit here. Gold, like just like after we took amazing trades right here. This one. We took this trade. I got like almost like 500 bucks on this trade. We just like bounce from this like trend line, and we're going like up higher. Where we're going? We're probably going to all-time high, but we tested this order block on daily. But we have equal highs, so this is gonna be like our target, probably final target. But for now, like I have like some like zones of interest. So like feel my point of interest these highs and this fair value gap. Again, I have to open on Monday and see where we go, because we can go like up, we can go down. So again, I have no idea, but I can mark zones for you, which is like broke this like huge like trend line, but we didn't have tests yet. So we broke like this trend line, and we didn't have like proper tests. I want to see like test, and it also will be on this fair value gap, so it's probably will be filled. We can just see like more clearer picture on like futures, gold futures. Like we have equal highs. We just broke this like trend line, right? This one, perfect breakout on the like volume, everything there, but we didn't have proper like test. So, and we also test like this order block on a daily. More likely we will go down on a gold, at least like till here. And I noticed like that gold a bit like it's like more opposite asset like from indexes. So if indexes like goes up, gold will go down, because it's like safe asset, and people like, if they don't understand what is going on the market, they prefer like putting their like money into gold. But let's check funds, indexes, bonds, right? 10 years. What the fuck is this? Fuck, I forgot. I just forgot what happened. 10 years. No. Fuck. It's like treasuries. Yeah, this one. It's like 4.8% yields. So if the shit will go like down, oh baby, fucking stock market will fly. It's basically like, what do you want to see when you look at the chart and you want to short it? This is what you want to see. It went up so far, so much. And let's look on low time frame what we can find here. And we can find here, if this shit will break, this shit will go down like this. Actually, we already broke structure. Yeah, we broke structure already. like here. So treasuries like will go down. We had it here. I can like mark this. This is what market shift. come on, where is the fuck is this? Yeah, this one. So when we tested everything, and next we're gonna go down. It's like on 4 hours. Let's check like 1 hour. Yep. Perfect. We had this like market shift. We had test, and we're like in downtrend. It's really good. It's really good. Yep. And as you can see, we can go down till 3.2%. It means if this will happen, and you can just open trade here with a stop 3.4%. We can short it on the futures, but it's a bit expensive. Let's say this, it's a bit expensive, and it's a bit expensive, but still you can do this. I will put this chart in trading chart. Okay. Let me send it to guys, and I will continue. 1 second. So if you just open, like, you can just open trade on this micro 10 years futures, and 30% down. Yeah, I know, like, you can just like close it here and we'll be a fucking millionaire already, because it's like 1 to like 5 risk reward, but still you have to like check how much like one contract, because it's like almost like 10 or $15,000. I don't remember exactly, maybe more. I don't trade it, but I just like look at chart. Yeah, it looks extremely bearish to me. So why are just even like looking at this like micro like treasuries, right? 10 years treasuries. If treasuries will go down, people like with money, so basically money will move from like treasuries, from yields, they will move to like stock market, because people won't be interested of like holding money and like taking like 4.8%, when they can take like way when they can make way more, just like putting in indexes, let's say. And people will start like shorting it or like selling it like crazy, selling their like contracts. It's like a really good indicator as well if you wanna look at yields. Major companies, so I recommend you to look at MD, but they have reports on Tuesday. You can just set like some alerts, but more likely we will go up from here. But again, this is just what I expect. And looking at TA, we just came in major zones, but on the report everything can happen, and we can just go down like 20%, or we can just go down 18% or 24% like Nvidia did. On next report, Nvidia did like 9%. It can go up like 10%. Who knows? If you want to gamble, this is like a good example. I would like put some money and long here, maybe like 0.5% of your portfolio. Microsoft is I would wait to like test this fair value gap. Like Apple, like we have like three like three drive pattern, 1, 2, 3. That's it. It's like tested everything, what it's need. So like yeah. What else? Google tested everything, like except like maybe it will go like lower till this area, or will bounce here till this fair value gap. But we broke like structure on a daily, so I would wait. Amazon, they had like great report. We probably will have breaker here. It will keep going up higher. But we had deviation, so we'll see. Tesla, on the Tesla, it's like if you open on like 3 days, we have like amazing like the trend line, and if like this will break out, it will fly till $400. On the short term, I have to look closely. Right now it's like I don't understand it. I don't understand it all. It like took a major liquidity, came into the zones. Yeah, it just came into the zone. This mitigation block. And probably closest target will be this fair value gap that's marked on my chart. Nvidia already talked about it, which took major liquidity. Yes, we have this huge zone. So this is like I'm worried about it only. But probably we had like range here and we had deviation. So more likely our target will be this fair value gap, something like this. We can go like up. Depends on the market and how much it will take us to get there. Meta, I would wait here, but again, depends like where we in range exactly. I would wait for deviation here. They just had reports and they had great reports. That's why like I don't like to trade in October. It's like months of reports and like major companies. Like Netflix like test this fair value gap and going up higher. Salesforce 3 drive pattern on a daily. But it's been tested everything, so but we have this fair value gap on the weekly, so we might go up, but we'll see. Oracle, no, but like have like 2 set up, but I want to see like 1 more. MasterCard, no. So this company, I just don't want to check. Like if you want to like trade something, you can just buy Coca-Cola and hold this position till 64. You can just like buy and like forget about it, like this. And Coca-Cola is like will always go up. It's like in a big range right now on the daily. It's like huge range. Like you can see this range even on the weekly. We just had deviation. We just had it. So just buy it and just hold till at least like equilibrium here. So something like this. If you have like any question, feel free to message me. If you want to join our Discord, feel free to do it. Link below in the description. Also, if you like what we do, if you like our alerts, you can use our referral links, so you can be able to like get some discount on the fees, and we get like some cash like from this fees as well. It will help us a lot. Also, talk about like our project. just share it with your friends. Mention us on Twitter, like Instagram, TikTok. Follow us on YouTube. It's great if you can like and subscribe all our videos, and comment them as well. It helps to improve our channel and move it up in algorithm, so other people will be able to find it. So something like this. Thank you for watching, and have a nice evening or day, depends on where you are. I will be in Discord if you have any questions. See ya. Bye.